unwanted curry where I'm going to eat this. Hello my friends, let's have this. Namaste, hello everyone, welcome back to my forest kitchen. Once again here deep in the forest. Now, ginger, and I have got a onion and dhania, wild dhania, cloud dhania, and first I have unwanted stuff that you might not like it. See this. This is fish eggs and the intestine. Then I'm going to mix it and cook it. A bitter taste with spicy Naga king chili. So let's get started. And I have today I don't bring any pot. Potless cooking mukbang in the forest. No pot. Baik ni perlok ngana snack ni. Baik ni. Kalok jo nga la buri lut ka kiu ja de ka karai ka kiu ka la buri lut te nga ngan ta ka si ngan set ka dok kha paleng ba ka dok kha po ba ka thang ha ka style jo nga na ya ngin snang no. I have the king chili again. So let me slice this. It's going to be very hot and spicy. Plus a little bit. Oh, this is it. The bigger garlic actually is tasteless, but it's faster. So, here, dhania. I'll be cooking in this. The bamboo is a little big. The size is bigger than the quantity of the. I washed it already. Soak it last night inside the water. So I've got some. I'm going to add this potato also to enhance the flavor. This potato. I'm not peeling it. Small potato with the skin will contain lots of fiber. So I'm going to fry in this. Let it get heated, and then I'll put some oil and fry the fish, eggs, and the stomach over here mixed with tomato and some other ingredients. So totally wild cooking. Eggs and the intestine and some of the herbs and tomato. This will be mixed together, go inside one bamboo. Here is my bamboo that I'm going to cook today. La dam kalok jo nga la buri lut ka kiu ja te ngan shet no hang ngan. Bai ka kiu jo nga man ta sing the best. Bait ne. Ah. So today I don't need to wash dishes. Ah. Ah. See this. I'm going to add this. Ah. Ah. Wow. Ah. Oh. Ah. Now I'm going to add this. Close this. See this. Eh. Loko. Oh babu ah. कहाँ हो? ए बबुआ बिहार नहीं गए? बिहार जाएगा तोहरा मेहररू भाग गला? हाँ भाग गया है। भाग गला? दूसरा में ले जाएगा। ओहो हो तो मिलता बा ठीक है मिलता बा हाँ। It's very hot. Ah, yeah. See this. Oh. So. This is the bitter curry mixed with the eggs. Unwanted curry where I'm going to eat this. So my friends, let's have this. See this. This is awesome. Thằng nào cái bộ được ha. Oh boy. Don't eat at home, come to the forest. I think this is one of the most flavorous, best, tribal, traditional, one of the best. Kajun bang palat. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like it. Please don't forget to share. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everyone. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Dhanyawad. Oh.